Hey everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. We are in DAX Text Function Series Part 3. So far, in Part 1 and Part 2, we covered functions like concatenate, find, substitute, and more. Today we are going to learn the two remaining DAX text functions and their format and value. But before we dive into the functions, let me give you a real life example of why these functions are useful. Suppose we have an ordered column in our dataset and when we add it to the measure, so here you can see it displays in the format of date, month and year, right? But what if only for this card visual we want to display it as month in 3 letters and year in 4 digits, such as AUG 2025? How can we do that? So you may tell me that we can change it in the column formatting options, right? So here we have different format options and we do not have such an option which exactly matches our requirement. Do we have? No. And again, one more requirement is we want to show this order date exactly as the date in the other visuals. Like here in this table visual, we want to show this order date as day, month, and year, but only in the card, we want to show this date as month and year. So that is exactly where the format function comes in handy. So this format is used to convert a number, date, or time into text in a specific display format like numbers with commas, percentages, currency, and dates in a specific style and more. So coming to its syntax, you can see here we are having format and the first argument is value, the number or date we want to format. And the second argument is format string. That is how we want this value to be displayed. And the third one is the optional one, that is local name. That is an argument to apply a specific regional formatting. Example, Indian style or US style date formatting. So this function return a text or string representing the formatted value. Okay, so let us see an example to understand this quickly. So here I have created a measure where, so let me add this measure into the card so that you can understand clearly, right? So here the value I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is general number and I wanted it to be formatted as in this way. That is, so for every 3 digits I want a comma between the numbers and you can see that here. So for every 3 digits we are having comma in between, right? And now you may ask me what are this hash and 0 which are represented in the format string, right? So here this 0 and hash are digit placeholders. So 0 is to display a digit or 0 and hash is to display a digit or nothing. So you will understand this with this second example we are having. So here we are going to format a decimal. So that is 123.3. Now here I have given 0.00 and when I click on enter, so you can see here 123.30. Even here in the value we have given only 3, that is only one digit after the point. We got two digits, right? 3 and 0 because here we have given two zeros after the decimal point, right? So 0 is a container for a digit or 0. So even we are not having digit here, it will be displaying the 0. And let us see how hash placeholder works. This hash placeholder is just displaying the digits. So whichever we have provided in the value, so those digits are being displayed and whichever is not there, it is not displaying. So that is what hash is. It is a container for digit or nothing. Whereas coming to zeros, it definitely displays zeros if even we do not have the digits for that value. So here we are just displaying 123 again with no decimal points. And when we use zeros, we are getting 123.00. And let us see how can we form the dates, right? So let me add this date formatting measure into the card. And yes, so here the first thing we are having today's date and today's date with month in only two digits. So that you can see here like 23 August is 08, right? And let us see the next example we are having here. So where we are formatting today's date to month and year. So here the month we have given 3 M's. That means, so we need 3 letters from the complete month name, right? So here you can see that AUG and year 2025, right? And in this similar way, we can also format time. It is just only displaying the hours and minutes instead of the entire date with exact time. Okay, so that is about this example. And in the next example, I wanted to show you that how we can use this local name, that is the third optional argument, right? So here I haven't provided any type of formatting string, but I have given the local name as US. So before executing this, let us see how our date gets displayed if we haven't given any formatting type. Okay, so let's just display today's date as 23rd first, that is day, and 08, that is month, and 2025 year. And now let us see how it is getting formatted in the US date format. So you can see here the month appears first, and then the day, and then the year. So in this way, you can directly give the local name and format the dates. So these are the different ways that we can format the dates or numbers differently for individual measures without changing the original column. So this is about the format function, and moving on to the next function, that is value. So this value function converts a text based number into a numeric value so that we can use it in calculations or any mathematical operations. So here in the syntax, you can see it is taking a single argument, that is text, which is to be converted into a number that can be used in calculations. So let us see an example to understand this quickly. So here I have given the value, that is 1,25,000, but I have specified this double quotes, so which represents it is a text, right? And now in the second variable, I have given 2,25,000 again in the format of string, but here we are converting it to value using this value function, right? Now let us see how this function returns. Let me add this into our card, and here you can see these variables are summing up as a numbers instead of a text values, right? So in this way, we can convert the text into the number using the value function. So that's all about the two final DAX text functions, format and value. So we use format for custom display of numbers and dates, and we use value to convert text to numbers for calculations. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to the Analytical Coding. Thanks for watching.